Don't fry eggs anymore. Make them like a fancy restaurant does. In a pot of boiling water, we are going to dip a ladle in. Next, remove all the water from the ladle and grease it with a little oil. It can be olive oil or butter, it's up to you. Then all we have to do is take an egg and add it to this ladle. Let's lower it and make contact with the water. Now we just have to wait until this egg white becomes very white. Once it's done, now we just dip the egg in the boiling water. Let it sit until it starts to darken and completely cover this yolk. And now all you have to do is remove this egg from the ladle. Folks, leave it longer if you like your yolk harder. And remove it sooner if you prefer your yolk softer. To make more eggs, just repeat the same process, folks. It's super easy and simple to do. And now, folks, all that's left is for you to slice and enjoy. Here I have 2 softer yolks and 1 harder yolk. It's up to your preference. Look at this egg. It's so easy, simple, and beautiful to serve. I hope you all enjoyed. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big hug for everyone. See you next time, and it was worth it.